In this course, we will be learning about the following areas in the Java programming language. We will be reviewing Java fundamentals, such as data types, Java language constructs, and I/O. We'll also be taking a look at packaging and distributing Java applications. You'll be learning how to package your class files and distribute them. Miscellaneous enhancements. Increase your knowledge of how to avoid common problems with far more powerful enhancements to data structures than their counterparts in other language. Assertions. This chapter will introduce Java assert statement, which specifies assertions that can be used to enforce preconditions and postconditions. Regular expressions. I'm going to be showing you how easily you can use the power of regular expressions in your Java applications. The Java collections classes. Here you will learn what collections are and how they can make your job easier and programs better. You'll learn about the core elements, interfaces, implementations, and algorithms that comprise the Java collections framework. Generics. Generics add stability to your code by making more of your bugs detectable at compile time. Advanced I/O. We will build upon your knowledge of Java's I/O. Enhanced I/O. JDK 1.7 enhances support for file I/O via the so-called I/O, NIO.2 classes. Logging API. We're going to be learning how to use the logging API in Java programs instead of just doing debug out print line statements. Networking. How to use the Java Net package to access the internet and do some network programming, such as client to server. Threads and concurrency. We will take advantage of Java's powerful concurrency API with threads. Remote method invocation, or RMI. We're going to be learning how to create distributed Java technology-based applications. Java database connectivity, or JDBC. We'll be looking at how to access the database with Java's JDBC API. I look forward to your advanced Java programming. The ability to create and compile Java source code files into running applications is the first skill acquired in becoming a Java programmer. This involves creating packages for your classes and interfaces and importing classes and interfaces from other packages. It also involves creating a properly formed main method and using it to access command line arguments. In addition, you learn how to create valid identifiers and work with primitive types. These are the fundamentals of Java programming. Coding standards. The code conventions for the Java programming language contains the standard conventions that Sun and Oracle follow and recommend that others follow. It covers file names, file organization, indentation, comments, declarations, statements, whitespace, and naming conventions. Class name. The first letter of each word is capitalized. Examples are car or business object name. Function name. The first letter of each word except the first word is capitalized. Examples as get age or set height. Variable name. The first letter of each word except the first word is capitalized. Examples are age or brain size. And constant names. Every letter is capitalized and underscores are used between words. Examples are max height and max age. Flow of control repetition statements. Important control flow statements from which we can build patterns and frameworks. Control flow statements supported by the Java programming language for decision-making, looping, and branching statements that enable your programs to conditionally execute particular blocks of code. Recall the for loops, while loops, and if statements, switch, and case statement. Things to keep in mind. Reserved words, variable scope, primitive data types, objects, and arrays are the fundamental building blocks of the most advanced programs. Let's add to our repertoire of skills and knowledge advanced APIs and concepts.